Hello everyone and welcome back to California Home Strategies. I wanted to take a moment today to talk to you about 3 pitfalls that you should look out for when shopping for a home mortgage. The very first one that you really have to pay close attention to is maintaining your credit. What am I talking about when I say maintain credit? Well, first and foremost, no new debt. When we qualify you with the debt to income ratio, and minimum monthly payments on your credit card debts are calculated into this ratio. If you go out and you get new debt, that will increase your debt to income ratio and cause you to qualify or not qualify if you are pushing your qualification limits. In addition to that, absolutely no late payments. While shopping for a home, make sure that you maintain payments in a timely manner. A late payment could be 20 to 30 points on your credit score. If you were 635 before and now you're 605 because of a late payment, you no longer will qualify with the 620 minimum for FHA or VA financing. This could kill your deal. So finally we get into contract and credit has dropped. If credit drops, you no longer qualify, we have to back out of the contract. The increase in credit card balances. This is also something that can change your credit score. So if it's taking you 6 and 7 and 8 months to find a home, you really have to make sure that the balances don't increase greatly. Once they exceed about 75% of the line amount, so if you have a $10,000 limit and you go over $7,500, this could have an effect on your credit score as well, which could push you from qualifying or not qualifying. The second thing that I want you to be really aware of when you're shopping for a home mortgage is if you have a salary increase or decrease. You need to call your loan officer and let him know about this or her know about this. A salary decrease, for obvious reasons, can change your qualification level, so we either have to lower the expectation of the home that you're shopping for, pretty much lower the expectation of the home you're shopping for, or you may have to pay off an additional debt if you don't want to buy a smaller home. So salary decreases are key. If you're working for the state and you're taking a salary decrease, or you work for a tech company and you take a salary decrease, you need to report that to your loan officer ASAP to make sure you're still approved so you don't get into contract and again finally tell the loan officer that you've taken a salary decrease, which will affect whether or not you remain in contract. A lot of times we prepare for this and we go the conservative approach on income, so if you do take a salary decrease, it's not going to have a super large effect, but don't count on that, okay? And a salary increase, if you haven't found a home in 6 or 7 months and you get a pay raise, call us right away and let's see if you qualify for more. The last thing that I would suggest that you definitely report is if you have huge shifts in your assets. If you have a 401k and that was helping your qualification and it's dropped by 50%, or the transmission broke and you had $10,000 in the account and you had to buy a new transmission, so your reserve account is a lot lower. Report these changes to make sure that your loan approval stays as up to date as possible, so when you do find that home, we don't have to worry about oops, you no longer qualify because your credit score has dropped, or oops, you no longer qualify because your income has changed, or oops, we don't have the assets that we used to have, therefore you're going to have to get gift money, or a number of different things that we might have to do. So again, these are 3 common pitfalls that I see when shopping for a home when the home process is drawn out. I mean, I've had clients that have gone a year before they find the home, and so maintaining these things over that year process is crucial to your success in the home purchase market. Thank you again for visiting California Home Strategies. I look forward to talking to you guys again soon, and thank you for your time.